Hello Wanderers, welcome to Celebrity Edge. I'm going to take you on a tour of the Infinite Veranda on deck 7. Our room is 263. You can see the whole space of the room. I'm going to take you straight to the Infinite Veranda because it is the coolest part of this stateroom. As you can see, it's part of your room. This window actually comes down with a push of a button. So you can still enjoy that ocean air. I like it. I think it's a little bit more private. Also controlled on the wall are blinds that come down the full length of the veranda, so you can have it nice and dark whenever you'd like. I'm going to put them back up. Gives you an idea. I think this veranda is actually quite comfortable. The floor is also not your typical metal floor, so it's soft and warm on the feet. The chairs are quite comfortable as well. On each side of the veranda are these doors on tracks. If you did want to separate the area, you could close these and it would give you more of the traditional balcony look. Coming along to the sitting area, here is the couch, and there's a little secret underneath the couch. This comes out into a twin-size bed for an extra passenger. And yes, we did try it. It is comfortable. Coming over here, you do have 3 drawers with the separator in the middle. All the lamps are controlled by this little button, which I thought was really neat and easy. Down here is your refrigerator. This white box up here actually charges your electronics and conceals those ugly cords. So you see you've got USB, American and European plugs. Over here is a desk. But wait, what is that? That actually slides in and you have a full-length mirror. Or if you want extra space, you can move the chair over here. Extra space for sitting and socializing with guests. Coming over to the bed. On this side of the bed are some cubbies, phone, and some USB and American plugs. Coming around the bed is, you can see on the wall, the large flat screen TV. Now on this side of the bed, you do have larger cubbies, but no plugs, so keep that in mind. The entrance to the closet. And if you're thinking, oh, that seems a little tight, it is a little tight. You just have to take turns. You still have ample closet space. You have some drawers and the safe as well. Coming along to the corner here is more storage. Actually 3 different compartments that open here, so it gives you lots of space. We thought that space was nifty for shoes. And one of my favorite parts of the stateroom is the technology. Check this out. This panel on the wall controls your temperature, your lights, and the blinds on the veranda. At one touch, these presets here say morning, movie, evening, and sleep. And those are preset, and they'll control different settings of the lights. I think it's really comfortable and really easy. No need to put a key card or C card in here at all. And coming into the bathroom, you'll see it's that same wonderful, warm design, color palette. Large sink area. This is actually a drawer. Lots of storage in the bathroom as well. Some cubbies here. And turning around to the shower, I actually thought it was quite comfortable. Got your shower head that moves up and down. Shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel are included. So that is your complete tour of Infinite Veranda, rooms 7263. Hope you enjoyed your tour. Please let me know below what you think of it. What do you like? And do you see yourself sailing on an Infinite Veranda? Let me know. Thanks for coming along. We appreciate you wandering with us, and we'll see you next time.